everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is for the shoe lovers, the shoe addicts, and the sneakerheads. Yes, you've guessed it right, because today's video features not one, but two silhouettes of the Adidas Yeezys. First of all, I would like to say hi to Jefferson Matuda. Thanks for your comments on my last videos. If this is your first time to come across my channel, welcome, and I would appreciate it if you click the subscribe button. And to all my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Thank you very much. Shut up. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Ta-da! Okay, so these two are the latest releases from Adidas. Before I start, I want to say that I will be selling these shoes, so if you're interested in buying any of these, you could just follow me on my social media accounts and I will be taking you through how I would sell it. Maybe I'll put a bid. The only problem would be shipping if you live so far away from me, which I know some of you might. Of course, it'll be like additional fee for the shipping, but I want to say that I'll be selling it on a very affordable price. Presyong kaibigan lamang. Charot! Anyways, if you're curious as to where I bought these shoes from, I bought both of them from the Up There store. This is their box, and I could vouch for their authenticity, and I could provide some receipts as well if you're wanting to buy them. I don't know where I should start, but I'll probably just start with the earlier release, which is the 700. So the outer box looks like this, and I bought a size 6 still. Once again, I am a size 7. I also featured a 350 release. If you want to check it out on my videos, I will link it up here or down the description box below. But let's start. This model is called the Arzareth. I was so confused because I usually say Arzareth, and I know that they have controversial names. Ta-da! Arzareth is on the blue colorway, which is really odd because they don't usually release colorful colors. But anyway, 700 has an outer caging, and inside is like a prime knit. The tongue is color black. The shoelace features infinity lacing, which Adidas is already going for in their latest releases. Outsole has a gel, like sort of color light yellow to it, and it has a foam and a yellow foam in the middle. Also, the top right here has like a cream colored, just plain foam, I suppose. I want to say that these shoes look really futuristic. It really caught so much attention, and you look really stylish when you wear these. I will show you guys in a second. Also, the package comes with a free shoelace. If you want, you could cut the infinity lacing, black shoelace on it. The next shoe is the Yeezy Boost 380. The color of this one is really nice, like especially for people my age, because di na tayo bumabata and we want, like, you know, very subtle color. Once again, I am a size 6, and if you open it, I super love this shoe. I'm so sad to let it go. I really am. Oh, look at this feet. These are so pretty. Aww, I love these shoes. The colorway is called Pepper. This one has a gum sole. It's like dark blue, I would say, and this is like color 10. It has prime knit mesh, parang two-tone. It has like a brown and a blue. I would compare this colorway into the linen, although I haven't seen it in person. Like from the photos, they look like they have the same colorway, and also it has a cream shoelace, infinity lacing as well. Ang ganda niya sa paa, nakakaputi, and parang it's very subtle if you don't want to look like, you know, parang sobrang papansin na shoe. The outsole looks like that. Oh, I forgot to say that on the 380, it comes with the extra shoelace as well. And look at this, it's color red. So pretty. So once again, you can cut the infinity lacing that comes with it. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I mean it when I say that I'm gonna be selling these shoes. Sadly, I so love them, but it's just too many on my collection and I won't be able to use it anyway. Just follow me on my social media accounts or comment down below so I can respond to you how you would be able to get a hold of it. If you guys have any video suggestions, please don't hesitate to comment them down below. I will respond to every single one of them, I promise. And see you on the next video. Bye!